What's up, you guys? We about to jump right into the video. So I finally got my package from Angelus direct. Let's get into some things. So first things first, when you open it up, you do see your receipt. I'm trying to make sure that I cover up necessary information. So here, yep, you can see everything that I ordered. My son just took out the bubble wrap because they're helping me. Hold on.
What's the bubble wrap?
Well, y'all can share. Oh, I'll give you this one at the bottom. Hold on. Okay, so they did give me a free air freshener gift. I wonder if he liked my joke because I left a joke for him. Yeah, I wonder if he added in another gift because of my joke. So this is bone. I don't know what it smells like, but we'll see. I'll definitely be putting that in the car. And then, yes, Denver, I'm right here. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is a sticker, one of my other free gifts in the flat black. Yes, PJ. Hold on, it's coming. I'm giving it to you. So this was also, I opened it and then I was like, oh, let me make a video real quick. So this was actually at the top as well. Stop. If you're new to Angelus Paint, please read backside for instructions, and on the backside it basically tells you, you know, how you should get started customizing your shoe, which I think is really neat of them to do. So the first thing that we see in here is my matte acrylic finisher, and then I got one of the collector colors with shattered orange. I'm looking forward to turning one of my ones into the shattered orange ones, the mainly black and shattered orange ones that came out.
I like my mom's package, and she had one of these, and it was Deadpool. Mommy. Hey, so I just decided to draw Nights at Freddy's because it's my favorite movie, so I'm on it.
All right, dope. So now, the next thing in here is the Angelus $1, and this is gonna help me get the matte look that I want for one of my customs and pretty much all of the shoes. And then the last thing that I got was my acrylic leather paint set, and I got the set of 12, and these are the colors that I ended up with. Yep, it's in the box. I was super nervous about this red because I didn't know if it was going to be too bright or too pink or what, but it looks like it is perfect. It's like, it's red. It's true red.
You can smell it.
Well, I guess it's not true red because there's a true red, but it's a good red. What?
You can smell it under the package.
It kind of smells like vanilla.
Yeah.
And then I got petal pink. I'm glad I'm doing this out in the sun so you guys can really see the color. What else I get? Oh, Georgia peach. I can't wait to get into that one. I showed him the shattered orange. Didn't he? I got purple. Let me see it. I got this blue. Okay, how about y'all do it?
And she got black.
And I got flat black. Flat black is not the glossy black. It's the flat black. Put it back in there. Put it back in there.
She got gold.
I got metallic gold. It's crazy because in my camera and in the sunlight, they look two different. It looks more rose gold in the sunlight. But yeah, it's a beautiful gold.
And she got a little glitter too.
This one is Gift Box Blue Princeton.
Favorite color pink.
I already showed them that one. Showed them Denver. Yeah, show them the rest of the ones that are over here.
She got red. And she got pink. And she got purple.
15 times now. Let's show them the other ones we got. We got beige taupe, which I really wish I would have just got beige. I was debating, should have got beige, but I'm gonna mix it with white and gold and to make the color that I really want.
She got green. And she got white.
Flat
I
white.
got black and purple.
We got green.
Wait, we got yellow.
Yep, I guess we showed them everything that I got.
Yellow.
Oh, and yellow.
I got purple and black.
Awesome.
I wish y'all guys can smell this way.
Does it smell good?
Pink, green. It smells really good, guys. You don't understand how
oh my
good
God,
this is.
his YouTube voice is so irritating.
So I started to play with this because we just went to Fancy's party because it was her birthday.
Turn up, Fancy.
This.
Okay, so now you guys can really see the variation of colors that I got. I really tried to get as many colors as possible, which I don't know if it's gonna be a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm super excited. What is it?
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Yeah, I am. Let's do an outro. Hold on, let me get it. Okay, ready? Go.
We all love you guys, but
Who you get that talking from? Don't eat no more of these kids' food. You don't know where their hands been or what they've been doing. They all sharing that. Corona is going around. And if you get me sick, I'm going to be very upset. Don't eat no more of their food. Child. Anyway, so.
and she loves you. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And I hope y'all like the colors that we have.
That was a really good outro. Yeah, so you guys heard it from the man himself, my 6-year-old son. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.